What's up, y'all? YouTube land. I was on YouTube and I ran across this song, and I said I haven't posted in a while, so let me talk about this song. Maybe I'll start talking about some one-hit wonders that I used to like back in the day. So one of them was this song by a group called D Xtreme, and it's called "Cry No More." Few of you old school people will know this song. Let me see if I can play a little bit of it. Oh, now some of the chords may be off now. Don't beat me up too bad. Wait, let's see. Let's see if I can do it. Y'all remember the intro? Boy, me and my brother used to die laughing in the club. It go, after they do that, it go to, after this. This will go, cry no more. It go, cry no more. Oh my God, you had to hear it. Look it up, you'll see what I'm talking about. But, so, let me go back and stupid. Let me see if I remember the bridge. Let's see, I might mess this up. Actually, I don't know if that's right. Cause I listened to it, but I listened to it, but I didn't listen to it. But then it goes. Yeah. But anyway, look that up. It's a real nice song. Like I said, it's by D Xtreme. Cry No More. I think Johnny Gill's brother was in that group. And really pretty song. Pretty much. But like I said, hopefully I'm gonna get back on here. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna post more songs. But right now, it ain't. So, you guys have a great Sunday. It's getting late, as you can see. I'm getting delirious. I'm getting tired. So I need to get off here before I make a fool out of myself, if I haven't done that already. So be blessed. Have a great week. See ya.